Tales of the North Central and South Railway. Episode 5. Nigel and Miguel. Written and read by Gregory the Heavy Goods Engine. It was early morning on the North Central and South, and Nigel was just talking to Miguel, the Mexican Hudson. "So, my dear Miguel, what's it like in Mexico?" "Ah, well," said Miguel, "Mexico wasn't always the railways they are today. Back then, the Mexican railways were different. Some people from Spain arrived and they made their own country known as Mexico. And a couple American... Oh, sorry, I meant to say... And when the Mexican railways needed help, American locomotives were sent from the States to help. One of them was an old engine who brought the American people over. Some American engines were also sent to help with the freight traffic. We had great help from the Americans. Then there was the big engines. The 484s, the Niagaras, or the Northerns in American language. They were the strongest engines on the Mexican railways. And they were great company in the sheds. We spent all night talking about our adventures. And then there was the electric engines. They pulled goods, passengers, and many other things. They were proud and wanted to make themselves known. But they also had good hearts too. "Wow, Miguel," said Nigel. "That's pretty cool." "I know. I have quite a lot of history in Mexico." "What's it like on the mainland, on the LNER, Nigel?" "Well," began Nigel, "life's wonderful on the London and Northeastern Railway. I used to work alongside my many brothers and sisters. There was Gordon, the prototype of our class, and then there was Victor Wilde, who would later change his name to King Christian Bradley, who works on a railway in Canada. His number is 4474. And I'm 4471. While King Christian used to be rude, snobbish, spiteful, and superior, I used to act the same way. But while his redemption took a while, I redeemed myself much earlier." "Wow. That's pretty cool, well, Nigel. Thank you, Miguel. And I heard that he also made friends with a Japanese engine, known as Ichiro." "Ah, the Japan engines. I've heard about Japan from the books my driver used to read. But I've never been to Japan myself, since I'm a bit too big. You never know. One of us might go to Japan one day." And soon, Miguel and Nigel began to continue talking like old friends. It would still be a while before other foreign engines came into this Welsh railway. But that is a story for another day.